replacing a tailgate handle today on my 96 B-2300. Just taking off the back panel, and then you gotta remove a couple 10mm bolts. They like to snap because they're plastic, so I ordered one off of eBay. That's metal. That should work just fine. So we'll see how that works. Never mind, I lied. They're not plastic, but they are this really brittle aluminum. You can see where it fractured there. I've got the new one right here. $7 on eBay, and they wanted at the parts store either 50 or like 45, and then a genuine OEM one would be $50. So screw that. I ain't paying $50 for a tailgate handle. It should just go in just like this. And see how it latches. Alright, so I figured it out. You just need to have the two threads lined up, then push this bracket in onto the handle, then you just thread the nuts on, and then you have a working tailgate again.